Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to turn your pictures or images to digital paintings with Leonardo AI. So what I like to do is to come to the website's homepage and scroll down for inspiration or idea. So let's say I want to create an image similar to this. Let's say I like this. All I have to do is click on it and wait for the image to load. Now what I'll have to do is to copy the prompt and make it mine. So once I copy the prompt here, I will just edit it and make the picture mine in a way, or customize it to my preference, and then I can, once I've done that, I can now I can easily just click on this remix and I would go to a different page where I can edit the prompts and get the image required. So once the image prompt is loaded on my prompt bar, all I have to do is to edit it to what I want it to be. And if you take a look at the left, you will see the presets and models that have been selected. So this will help us to understand how the image was created. So now I'll just go ahead and edit this prompt to what I want so that we'll be able to generate a very similar image. So I've gone ahead to generate the image and let's see what it looks like. Okay, this is what I was able to generate, which is very similar to the image I saw earlier. So this is how you can generate a unique digital painting. You can also just scroll through and see other patterns or images very similar to yours, or you can also just go to the image creation section and click on the model or presets. You can choose either of the phoenixes, but since you want a digital art, we can also choose this illustrative albedo, and we can, for the contrasts, we can choose a medium, and style, let me see, we can choose sketch B, black and white, or we can also choose sketch for color. And then you can now proceed to add your prompt here and to generate a very good image similar to what you want. Thank you and do have a great day.